Can I help you?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken salad.
That's good stuff here. It's gonna beep 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 beep. Be just a second. Ding. It's done.
You just put the chicken in the microwave and not in the grill.
We don't have a grill.
How do you call it grilled chicken then?
I don't really. I mean, it says it on the bag. It says grilled chicken. So
Just because the chicken has lines and you throw it in the microwave don't make it grilled chicken. Putting it on the grill makes a grilled chicken.
but we still don't have a grill. You forgot your grilled chicken. Got it.